Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Powerowl AAA 4-pack of rechargeable batteries that also comes with the charger. So let's open it up and demonstrate.
All right, so just simply open this up. You'll see there's not really much to it. You'll have your two AAA battery packs and of course a charger. Now, the key here with the charger is that it goes directly into a USB. So what you're going to be doing is simply, when you break these things apart, you'll simply just push it in like that, and this thing looks like it could be good for a AA as well. But you'll have them, obviously cut this plastic off, and I'll demonstrate that. But you're going to just be able to plug this right into a computer and or laptop to do the charging, and also again the capability to do AAA or AA batteries, which is pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and get these separated and start the charging. All right, so as noted, all you're doing is putting it right into a USB outlet, and obviously they're going to be nice and red and charging. So we've got our AAAs in there. So I also want to show you that again, this thing is good. It looks like it'll turn green once we're fully charged, but I want to show you what AAAs look like in this as well. So as you can see, I've got some Amazon Basics in here, and they are AAs, and as noted, when fully charged, they just show green. So just go ahead and get everything charged up as soon as you get it. That way you always have charged batteries on hand. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.